Welcome to my cafe, Wild Cafe, okay, where I make breakfast, Somali breakfast specifically. First, now we're gonna mix the anjera. There's many ways to make anjera, but this is only one way. Mix the flour, salt, some yeast, and then some little bit of egg. This is how I make it, and it's only one way. So I'm gonna cover it up for like 5 minutes. I'll be making a lot of series, like a series of videos where I'm gonna share different ways of making Somali breakfast. Sometimes it would be like liver, anjera, and tea together. Sometimes maybe like suqaar, like beef suqaar with anjera and tea. You see, so I'll be sharing that, and sometimes maybe like me going to Somali restaurants in Seattle and tasting their breakfast, because I'm very picky when it comes to Somali food. So a lot of times I literally don't find what I'm looking for, the taste I'm looking for in the Somali restaurants. I know they're really good. I know they're good. I just I need to do it myself. Okay, so yeah, get ready guys. You guys gonna see a lot of videos me cooking Somali breakfast, and it's okay to judge because I'm not expert. I'm not expert of anything. I'm always learning. Okay, and on the way, one day I would love to open my little cafe Somali breakfast. Okay, where I make, or my team and me make. That's me and my mom making you know, breakfast for the people who come to us. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.